Hello there guys and welcome back to Emily Wants to Play Part 2. And I've got to bloody tell you now, this is really difficult. The fuck glitchy clock or what, man? The sound's not working properly. Huh? Why is that playing up? Okay, there's a fault with this gun. Fucking face. Okay, there's a problem with the sound. It's a bit buggy. Why does the sound keep going in and out? I've got bugs everywhere, guys, in this game. Oh, I'll have to upload it. I'm not pissing around again. Let's just stay like it. Sound's gone a bit funny. I don't give a fuck, guys. I'm uploading it because this took me ages to bloody get past this level of the bucket. Shouldn't be doing this. I don't know why the sound's gone like that. It was alright in the last part, I thought. What's different? As it sorts itself out as it goes through, I don't bloody know. I don't care about that fucking shitty rustling, I ain't bothered. I wanna know why the sound's playing up. The sound's going in and out. It's going loud and it goes quiet, I don't understand that. I'm uploading it anyway, I don't really care, guys. I'm not doing this again. This took me a while in the first place. We'll have to just see what happens, I don't know. There's always something when I record this stuff, I don't understand it. One problem to another. Yeah, there's a problem with the sound. I meant to put that in the title, guys. I don't know why that's playing up, it was fine before. Fucking bastard sound on this game. That's the last time I play this game then, I suppose. Because I'm working out like this all the time. Well, it was alright before, I wasn't doing this last time. Typical, my longest part. Absolute bollocks. I think I might have to advance to something else, probably, the way this is going. Or maybe just stop this altogether. Because I don't know. I tell you what though, guys, that Chester, he's a problem, he is. I couldn't get past him, by the way. I am going ahead a bit here, because he's not even coming to this yet. I am going a bit ahead. I've just got Emily and the clown at the moment. Oh well, what can you do? That's really strange. I don't think that's my fault. I think it's the recording part. It's just an error somewhere. Just got really bad sound problems. It's like it's going in and out. Like, I don't know. I probably have no sound altogether, probably. Yeah, I love Enemy. I love this game. It was a really good game, this was. I really did enjoy playing this a long time ago. It was such fun, everyone. Tell you what though, it gets bloody hard as it goes on and on and on. But, it's quite tough. Oh, there she is again. Popping up more frequently, are we now, my girl? That's good. Trying to set the challenge, are you? There she goes. She's gone. Off she pops, everyone. And all I was supposed to be was a bloody pizza delivery guy. Ruining this house. This is a bit strange. This game's actually getting worse. What the fuck is the matter with this video? It wasn't like this before. It's actually getting worse. It's really buggy. I don't understand why. Ah, this video's had it. Inside it today, I think, this one. I don't think this is going to do very well, but I've got to upload it because I've just done all this now, so what am I supposed to do? Just coming through. Oh, what is the fuck has happened to this fucking game? Excuse my language again. This is ridiculous. I wasn't doing this before. Picture's now fucking sticking now. Oh my FMG. This is the worst video I've done yet. Well, I hit my part, it's fucking this. It's just a stupid app. So I've got fucking sound issues and now I've got lagging now. If the one weren't bad enough. I've been cursing since the day I was born, I swear to fucking God. I won't be doing this shit again. I'll have to advance to something a bit different. Fuck the mobiles. I ain't done with it. It's just stuck all together now, I suppose. I don't think I can continue this. It's really bad. Well, it was fine when I was doing it earlier on. I don't know what's happened. I just don't know. Perhaps this is a game, perhaps. Well, that's the last time I played this game. If it's causing me to lag like this, I don't know what's going on. I shan't play this again. I can't be doing this. It'll only be for this video, guys, don't worry, it won't be lagging like this again. I'll check it properly next time. But I have to upload this because I've got this far now. I want to show you my progress, but... I mean, this is terrible. I mean, I'm watching it back and it's awful. It wasn't like this before, I swear to God, it wasn't like this before. Oh dear, oh dear. Perhaps there's too much going on in the game, perhaps it's crashing, perhaps, I don't know. Chester. He's the one who keeps killing me a lot, that one. He's hard, because you don't know where he's going to pop from, and he starts chasing you, and... If I'd known it was going to be like this, I wouldn't have played it for so long. Oh no, Jesus. Okay, it's actually becoming a bit frustrating because of the lag and the sound. It's just something's not right here. I'm not sure what's happened. Don't worry guys, the parts don't last long anyway, because I keep dying every 5 minutes anyway for that bastard thing. Chester is annoying. He just pops up and then chases you for about 5 minutes. So yeah, I get to 2 o'clock guys, but I don't think, did I get, I don't know if I got any further than this. I'm actually quite upset that this is played up like this. For what reason, I don't know. Nothing's different. I actually feel like throwing my phone across the room. I'm so angry right now. What a waste of a fucking part this was. I don't know, I wish I'd have bothered. Maybe I'll just grow and just eventually come up with something a bit different, perhaps, guys, because this isn't really worth it, is it? I mean, look at this. If this is going to carry on like this. Unless I try another game to see if it does the same thing. It might be this game, perhaps. There's too much going on, perhaps it's crashing. Plus the recording, perhaps as well. Maybe it can't cope, perhaps. I should put it down to that, perhaps, guys. Well, I'm going to assume that's the case, because I don't know what else to think. I don't think I'm lagging the webcam. I don't think that's happening. It's just the game. I've got to apologise, guys, for this. I'm very sorry about this. I did not expect this at all. I won't do another part on this, just based on this particular behaviour of the game. I'm assuming it's because there's a lot going on in the game. It's probably crashing. The recording probably isn't helping either. Very disappointing. Yeah, I shan't be playing this again then. That'll be the last. Look at him chasing me like an idiot. And he still chases me. Shouldn't be lagging like this. This is ridiculous. I should definitely have to put this in the title to explain what's happening. I'll have to just do something. I'll just put bad sound and lagging. I'll just put that. Worst video I've ever made so far. Well, it wasn't the fact that I made it like this. It's just turned out like this. I mean, how the bloody hell are you supposed to cope with this? I feel sorry for my viewers having to put up with this, but it won't be like this again. I won't do this again. It's got to be the game. It has to be. I was looking forward to playing all of this as well, but never mind. I'll have to just not bother again. Awful. sometimes he'll chase me for a while, and he'll just stop randomly. I don't know. He's an odd one to get past everyone, that one. Oh. Funny clown. But yeah, only watch it, guys, if you can. But if it's not for you, this sort of behaviour, then don't bother. I don't usually say that in a video like that normally, but I'm ashamed of it as well. I mean, I'm looking at it now and I think it's terrible. It wasn't like this before. It was not like this doing it. It's fine. It's got to be the webcam, guys. It has to be the webcam, perhaps adding to it. And all of what's in the game. That's all I can suggest. Clown Boy pops up a lot, doesn't he, guys? Oh my god, Chester. Run for your life. Oh, hello, Mr. Clown. Absolutely awful. Worst part yet. It's got to be the game itself, guys, because I've never had this problem on another game. Just this one, so I'm assuming it's got something to do with this game. I'll have to retry it out on another game, perhaps, to see if it does the same. If it does, then I'll have to change over to something else. Can't be doing with this. I think I might have to end it early, guys. It's that bad. Boy, I've got this far now, and I'll just carry on now. Only watch it if you can stand it, guys. It's a shame, because I got quite far into this as well. And it had to do it here, didn't it? Everything I do is always just on. But you can learn from this sort of stuff, so I am still new to YouTube and these apps and whatever, so it's going to be a while before I establish properly. If I even want to continue this at all. It's nearly finished, by the way. I'm going to hit that now. It's 10 minutes left. Actually, 10 seconds, sorry, not a minute. Okay, guys, goodbye. It's finished now.